We try to find the sine I. Well, here I'm using two methods. Okay. Method one. Method one is that straightforward using formula. This formula, right? Sine theta is equal to here 2I and e to the I theta minus e to the negative I theta. All right, so you must know the formula, or you can derive the formula one way or the other. You know, you can find sine I is equal to 2I, and here is I squared, right? That is e to the negative 1 minus here. And negative I squared is positive I, right? So this is equal to E. And then divided by I is multiplied by negative I. So this is 2. This will be E minus e to the negative 1I. So that is the result, provided you know the formula, or you can derive the formula. The method two. Say, well, I'm not using formula, right? I'm using the Euler's formula. Well, still formula, but Euler's is more basic. I suppose that sine I is equal to z, right? I know that it's a complex number. Then cosine z is a positive or negative 1 minus z squared, right? So these are very basic formula. And also we know that the Euler's e to the I theta is equal to cosine theta plus I sine theta. Okay, therefore, when theta is I, so this is e to the I square, so negative 1, right, is equal to cosine I. So this is cosine I, cosine I. Cosine I is this, right? Plus or minus 1 minus z squared plus I sine I, see. Sine I is z. Okay, good. Then e to the negative 1 minus I z is equal to plus or minus 1 minus z squared. So both sides square, right? So this side square is e to the negative 2 plus this is square. This is square is I squared z. I squared z squared. So it becomes z squared minus 2e negative 1 and I z, right? That means this is square equal to this is equal to 1 minus 2z squared, right? Yeah, and the z cancel out, so z is equal to e to the negative 2 minus 1, right? This is cancel out. This is over there divided by 2e negative 1I. Yeah, that's good. And then I multiply by e, both top and the bottom. So this becomes 2i right? This becomes e to the negative 1 minus e. Yeah. Then divided by I is multiplied negative I. So this is equal to 2 e minus e to the I. So we get the same answer. But we're using different methods. Just another option, you can find a result. Okay. The first method is straightforward if using formula. The second method is we use a rather more basic Euler's formula. It's more basic. So both methods are good. Thank you for your watching.